Hi, Duke Mountain here, and I'm going to show you how you can actually change the mobile line that you had actually registered with Spenny account to another line. If let's say you had opened your Spenny account with Airtel, MTN, Zamtel, how can you switch to a different line for convenience's sake? So this is how you go about it. So you open Spenny, but of course you'll be asked to log into your account. So punch in the password. Okay, so I'm in. So now where do you go? What you need to do is you check in the top left corner. There are 3 bars, horizontal bars. Now on the right of the bars, there is a code, the scan code. Click it. Okay, so after clicking it, click about me, then click the number. Okay, so that's the old number. What then is the new number? 6, 5, 2. That's the new number. Click OK, and they want me to confirm, so I'm gonna confirm. So they've sent a code. Delete your Spenny account. So what you need to do is you click the 3 bars in the top left corner, then go to settings, then click close account. So if you choose to close your account, you will have no access to your Spenny. Make sure that you withdraw the money. Make sure that your Spenny balance is 0 in all accounts. Download any transaction history statements you may need. Okay, so now we close the account.